Hello students, welcome to online class. Myself Firoz Sheikh, and here we are with a new chapter, chapter 8, comparing quantities. In this first part of this chapter, we will discuss about ratio and percentage. And we all know about ratio and percentage. Already we have gone through this topic in earlier classes. Now, you know the ratio is what? Ratio is what? Comparing quantities. Let's have some example right now in this class. Suppose we have 24 apples, okay, in a basket, okay, and we have 6 mangoes in that same basket. Okay, now if somebody asks you what is the ratio of number of mangoes to the number of apples, so you will write ratio of number of mangoes to the number of apples. If I write, will be 6:24, and so same thing we can write in fraction form, means 6 by 24 we can write. Okay, if you cancel it out, suppose 6 1 is 6, 6 is 6 4 is 24, it means 1 by 4. So we can say that the number of mangoes is 1/4 the number of apples. Now if we interchange it, suppose the ratio of number of apples to the number of mangoes, then in that case it will be look like this: 24:6, means 24 by 6 means 4 by 1. So we can say that the number of apples is 4 times the number of mangoes. So it's very simple. I think you have understood this part. And what about percentage? Suppose if somebody asks you what is the percentage of mango in that basket. Okay, if somebody asks you what is the percentage of mango, means in that basket we have two types of fruits, that is what? Apples and mangoes. Means total number of fruits will be how much? Total number of fruits equal to how much? 24 apples and 6 mangoes gives you how much? 30 fruits. Okay, we have 30 fruits in that basket. And if somebody asks you what is the percentage of mango in this basket, or what is the percentage of apple in that basket, what we will write? Simply, percentage of mango means out of 30 fruits we have 6 mangoes. If somebody asks you percentage, means what we will write? Into 100. Very simple. 0 0 cancel. This is 2, means 20%. 20% of fruits in that basket are mangoes. If somebody asks you what is the percentage of apple in that basket, so it will look like this: 24 by 30 into 100%. Okay, cancel it out. 24, 80%. See here, so we can say that 80% of fruits in that basket is what? Apples. So hope you have understood the part ratio and the percentage. Now, sometime question, you can see the question sometimes increase in the salary or increase in the percentage, decrease in the percentage, especially. So how we will do? See here. Suppose for example, take an example of, suppose the price of a scooty. Okay, the price of a scooty last year was, suppose in 2019. In 2019, the price of the scooty was, suppose 54,000. Okay. And due to price high, the cost rises because of so many conditions are there. So suppose the price increased by 10%, or you can say 20%. So what will be the new price in this year 2020? It has been increased. The price has been increased by how much? 20%, for example. So what will be the new price? So this 20% will be based on this amount. Initial amount means the amount on 2019. So suppose 54,000 was there. You will take 20% out of this. How much you will get? 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. Khatam. How much you are getting? This one 54, 108, 108, and this 0 0. Okay. How much? 10,800 rupees extra you have to pay in this year. Means as because the price earlier price was 54,000 and due to some reason or some due to company's policy they have increased the price 20%. So in new year how much you have to pay? You have to pay 54,000 plus 10,800. So how much it is? You will get 800 for 64,800. So in this year, suppose 2020, for the same scooty you have to pay how much? 64,800 because the price has been increased. For example, in case of decrease, what you will do? Simply you will subtract this amount and you will have some different amount here right now. Okay. So I think you have understood how the percentage increase and decrease, how we add the amount. The percentage is based on this number. On this number you will find, on this value you will find the percentage either 10%, 20%, and according to increase or decrease we will simply add or subtract the things here right now. Okay. So I hope you understood this part. Now come to the next topic.